Enter the employee's name for whom the advance is being processed. Shows the current date by default. You can change it if needed. Enter the advance amount requested by the employee. Enter the net amount the employee will receive after deductions. Select how the advance will be repaid monthly or weekly. Indicate when the deductions should start. Enter the amount deducted from the salary each period. Optional field for any additional comments. Saves the entry by clicking on Save button. Enter the specific name for the allowance rule. Select the start date from which this allowance rule will take effect. Choose the type of allowance indicating how the allowance is calculated. Select how the allowance value will be managed. Choose the format of the values. Assign a priority number to this rule in case of multiple rules. Check this box if the allowance should represent a total sum. Select the group under which this allowance belongs, which helps in easier management. The calculator-like interface allows you to create formulas using variables, operators, and numbers for simplifying calculations. Specify the condition of when the formula becomes active. Input the formula used to calculate the allowance, incorporating variables and operators. Provide an explanation of the allowance rule's purpose and any specific conditions to clarify its application. You can create any number of formulas for the payroll generation. The manual wages entry page allows for manual input of wage components for employees, while automating the calculation of other fields based on predefined formulas. The values are derived from internal wage formulas configured earlier in the system. Once the primary values are entered, the system uses these formulas to automatically calculate other wage components. Option to copy the previous month's wages speeds up data entry for recurring amounts. Additional features like category, department, and destination help organize employee data. If any of the required to generate the payroll is incomplete, it will be shown as pending in the payroll verification pop-up. Select the payroll month for which wages are being calculated. Enter the actual working days used to calculate the employee's wage. Use the Settings button to recalculate changes from the manual wages entry page. Check both Recalculate and Payslip, then click Generate to update the screen and payslips. The message icon is used to send a personalized message along with payslip to the employees. The mail icon is used to add the CC contact in the mail. The search bar helps you quickly find employees by entering keywords like names or codes, filtering the displayed data accordingly. This option allows sending payslips via email to the employees, and Get All Payslip generates all employee payslips for the selected payroll period, which can be printed. The salary certificate outlines the employee's earnings, deductions, and net pay for the month. It includes key details such as working days, leave taken, and total paid days. The certificate also highlights leave balances for the financial year and how the salary was paid. At the bottom, options to send the slip via email or print it are provided.